Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about motivating and inspiring towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivation for today, and here is your quote. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. With so much fear and uncertainty in the world, it really is no wonder why some people are just always so scared. But once you take away and eliminate that fear, your life really does become completely limitless. Nothing holding you back from doing exactly what you really want to do, and that will only lead you to so many amazing places in this world.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.